Hello everyone and welcome to Grow Money Wisely. Today we'll be explaining to you one of the best life insurance plans with added savings feature, that is HDFC Life Insurance Sanjay Plus. Let us get started, friends. First we'll understand about the life insurance plan. HDFC Life Sanjay is a non-participating life insurance plan offered by the HDFC Insurance Company. So number one point, HDFC Life Sanjay is a life insurance plan which does not have any market risk, and it is also a savings scheme with added benefits. The plan comes with a lot of flexibility in terms of choosing your investment options and provides assured benefits. With the help of HDFC Life Sanjay plan, you can ensure a secure financial future for your family members. So what are these benefits? What is this savings scheme about? We'll discuss all these things in this video. This scheme is for everyone who wants life insurance with a savings and a money back policy. It may be for their retirement life or for their children's education or any other fulfillments on a longer horizon. Now we'll see the benefits part of the scheme. The first benefit is guaranteed additions. The second is death benefits. Third one is maturity benefit. We will be discussing all these benefits in detail. So the plan comes with mainly four variants. The first one is guaranteed maturity, that is lump sum at maturity. You can take your money at a lump sum when the policy term gets done. The second is the guaranteed income. It gives you a guaranteed income for a few years, that may be around 11 to 12 years. Then a long-term income, that will be a guaranteed income again for 25 to 30 years. And the next one is lifelong income, that is a guaranteed income till the age of 99. We'll take each of this variant individually. First one, lump sum on maturity. We'll take an example to understand this better. For example, you will purchase the Life Sanjay policy for a payment term of 10 years and the policy term for 20 years. For example, you are at the age of 30 years. You will pay an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh for 10 years. So until your age 40, you are paying 1 lakh each for 10 years. So totally you have paid 10 lakhs at the end of the 40th year. And you will get a maturity amount on completion of 20 years. So when you are 50, you will be getting your maturity amount. So in our example, the maturity is rupees 10 lakhs. Then on the maturity completion, the company will pay you 10 lakhs plus 14 lakhs. This 14 lakhs is guaranteed additions. That is equal to 24 lakhs. This amount is exempted from tax. And you are also getting yourself insured, which means in this case, if the insured dies, his family would receive 10 times the premium. So this is quite good, because you are paying 10 lakhs after 10 years you are getting 24 lakhs. So now the second option is guaranteed income. So once again an example, you will purchase a policy for 10 years payment term. You will pay an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh from the end of the 12th year, which means after 1 year till the end of the 21st term, you will get rupees 2 lakhs per annum from the bank. All these installments will again be tax free. So you have paid 1 lakh every year for 10 years and now you are getting the double amount for 10 years. In the event of the death of the policy holder, the payments will continue to the nominee. Interesting, right? Now we'll see the long-term option, the HDFC Sanjay Plus long-term option, and this variant is quite beneficial. I found it for myself. You are paying an annual premium for rupees 1 lakh for 10 years. You will have to wait for 1 year. Then you will get 97,750 rupees every year for the next 25 years. You are paying 1 lakh for 10 years, 9,750 rupees for the next 25 years, and at the end of the 25th year you will get your premium back, that is around 10 lakhs. So your total guaranteed and tax-free returns is 34 lakhs 43,750 rupees. So this was about the HDFC Sanjay Plus long-term income option. So you will have to pay for 10 years, you have to wait for 1 year, and then you will be getting a guaranteed income for the next 25 years plus return of premium at the end. So the entry age is 5 years to 60 years, and even there is a death benefit. So I found this plan quite beneficial, as you are getting a life insurance done. The second is that you are getting your money back, plus it is a savings scheme, you are getting additional amount. And the third is all this amount is completely tax free by the government. So this is quite a good plan for each and everyone. So I request you to once again go through the video and understand about the policy, and then think about investing in this policy. And please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do share with your friends and family, as this HDFC Sanchay Plus is a wonderful option for your retirement life or any financial security in the future. Thank you one and all. Have a great day.